In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Reddit community. By the end, you'll have a brand new subreddit ready for people to join and start conversations. Let's walk through the process together in a clear, simple way. First, head to Reddit's homepage while you're signed into the account that will own the community. Being on the home view makes it easy to find the tools you need. On the left sidebar, look for the option labeled Create Community. Click it to open the setup flow. This is Reddit's built-in wizard that guides you through the essentials. You'll start by choosing your community topic. Think of this as the general category that best represents what your subreddit is about, like technology, fitness, gaming, or education. Selecting the right topic helps Reddit understand your community's focus and can improve how new users discover it. Don't worry, this choice guides recommendations. It doesn't lock you into a specific type of content. Next, continue to the privacy and posting permissions. You'll see three choices. Public means anyone can find, view, and post in your community, which is great for open, fast-growing spaces. Restricted allows anyone to view and find your subreddit, but only approved users can create posts. This is useful for curated or expert-led communities. Private makes the community invite-only, so only approved members can find and view it. It's ideal for small groups or sensitive topics. Pick the setting that matches how you want members to participate right from the start. You can usually adjust these settings later as your needs evolve. Move forward and enter your community name. This will become your subreddit's URL, so keep it short, clear, and memorable. Names must be unique on Reddit, and they typically use letters, numbers, and underscores. Avoid names that are too similar to existing communities to prevent confusion, and choose something that reflects your long-term vision so you don't feel the need to rebrand later. Now, write a concise description. Use this space to explain what your community is about, who it's for, and what kinds of posts are welcome. Be friendly but specific. Clarity helps attract the right members and sets expectations. A couple of sentences that highlight purpose and tone work well. When everything looks good, click Create Community to finalize. Reddit will set things up and take you to your new subreddit. From here, you can start a welcome post, invite people, and explore moderation tools and appearance options at your own pace. That's it, your Reddit community is live. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a space people love to visit.